Hello, this is our fourth video from the additive manufacturing section of the Tech Hub project. And let's see what product we'll prepare for 3D printing on this video. So first of all, I'll go to the website of the project, and from there we download the ECTL files to prepare the code of the fourth product. Now let's see what is the fourth product. So I go on the website where we was many times and go to here and just look which is the fourth product, and the fourth product we see is the phone accessories. And also, like on the second product, I think the phone accessories also is available just on the solid part native file. So we just download these files, we'll open them in SolidWorks and sorry, I made some bad things. I think I removed something. Okay, I download all files, and here is 3 components and assembly. 2, 3. Okay, and I'll open the assembly and we will take a look on this assembly, what it contains. And here is it. And we will print just 2 of them, just 2 components. So the phone here is just browse for file. Which file we can find? I don't know. Phone. This is the phone. Oops. Oopsie. I don't know what I do. There is a mistake. Sorry. I will open it again. I don't know what I do, but there was something wrong. So which phone? So it can't find the phone. So this is the phone. I don't know what happened, but my wells come fully not cutted, and I don't understand why, because they should come in this way. So this is the product that we prepare in one of our 3D modeling video. So from here, I will just save this like ECTL on my desktop, and from there we will go to prepare it. So just make ECTL, okay, and I'll open the second one and also prepare it on ECTL, and this will be the second part. I open it and now just prepare it for ECTL file. I save it. Okay, and for now I don't need the files. Okay, let's see what we have now. So first of all, we had 2 ECTLs that assembly in one product, and we will start with Ultimaker Cura, and now we will try to manage a printer. We will add a custom printer. What this means? Let's suppose that we create our own printer at home, so we need a custom printer on the software. So in this case, when we have the own printer, is not some existing manufacturing on the market, we should add a printer from a custom printer. So I will go here, I will set add printer and say add a non-networked printer, and from here I will select the custom. So you can see here a custom printer, and my custom printer would be a custom FF printer. Add, and here I will set up which is the dimension of my printer. So I just measure my printer, and let's suppose my printer is 150 millimeters per 150 millimeters, and the height it's, I don't know, 200 millimeters. Okay, let's suppose. Okay, after that I should set up what build plate shape I have. It's a rectangle or it's a circular or elliptic. Let's suppose it's an elliptic one. Yes. Okay, after that I should specify the origin is in the center of my printer or it's in a corner. If it's a center, I click here. Yes, and let's suppose my printer have the origin in center. After that I should set up if I have a heated bed or not. If I have heated bed, I click here. And also I should decide if I have a heated build volume. In my case, I don't have this. Here is the offset of the print head, so I recommend you to keep this value from here and just go to extruder and decide which nozzle you have, what diameter of nozzle you have, and I say the most common diameter is 0.4. After that you should decide what material you have, and in this case I have 175 millimeters material. Okay. And just go to next. And how you can see, this is my new printer with circle build plate and with origin in center. And of course I can manage it and name it and rename it, and it will be my TechHub printer. So let's say I have a custom printer for TechHub project, TechHub 4.0. Yes. Okay, and how you can see now here it's a TechHub 0.40 printer with round build plate and with origin in center. So I will bring my part and I will create the code with this custom printer. So let's do that. So just import these two files, and how you can see they are very, very big, because on design part they was very big. So I will just scale them. So the second option, scale, and instead of 100 I will say 50, and for second component same scale, 50, and move them just to see if I can put both of them on the table, on the build plate. Yes. Okay, and Z always to be 0. Yes, and for this, yes. And just rotate them. Yes, click on them, go to rotate, say select face to align, this one, select second component, face to align, and show the face. And now just look from top and move the component in order to put them on the, and rotate this a little bit in order to have it in this position for optimize the space on the printer. Yes, and these are my components on the printers, and I scale it twice. Yes, so they are 2 times smaller. Okay, after that, just select the parameters, and now I just take the normal profile for these components and slice them, and that will be 2 hours and a half and 30 grams. That's very, very good. So just select and say phone accessories. Yes, and this will be phone accessories. Save the file on the desktop, and now go to the Z Suite. And here we have less options, and we can add the custom printer. We just can add the printer from the market, but because this is specific for the Zorzax software, we just use a Zorzax M300 Plus. I will add the files and same 2 files, and you will see they are very, very big on the build plate of the printer. So I just resize them. Yes, and also we read 50%, so it will be 50%, so it's twice smaller than the original. And after that I just rotate them like this, and here will be, from my point of view, 90 degrees, and this also with 90 degrees. Yes, look from top and just move the component, bring them. Yes, and I can rotate this like this in order to have it in optimized orientation like this. Good. Just go to print settings, go to normal, and say we don't need support, so I left it like this. Don't change anything here. After that, the nozzle of the printer is 0.4, so I keep 0.4. The quality, I want to keep it is 0.90 millimeter per each layer, and the quality to be normal. The direction of the trajectory I want to be perpendicular, so this will be the grid pattern or pattern 1. And the grade of infill I will keep 30%. So just preview, take a look what we obtain, the time, and you will see that on this printer with same parameters, the time will be bigger, will be longer, and the material consumed also will be bigger. So compare between these two options with same parameters. You'll see here is 49 grams and 4.5 hours, and here is 2.5 hours and 30 degrees. It's almost twice take long to print, and it's almost twice with bigger weight. If you can understand why this happened, if you suppose that you know what is the reason for this, we will discuss on our summer school, on our next summer school, or I will explain this in one of the next videos. Just export this file, yes, on desktop, and this is the phone accessories. And this file will be copied on the printer stick, and we will print these files. So this is how we set up in Ultimaker Cura the new printer, and this is how we set up the normal parameters on the Z Suite. Thank you for watching. See you on next video.